Hey guys, I'm Paul Foster from Art of Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to What's Up Wednesday, where we kind of recap some of the projects we're working on this week. So here I'm in a basement we're renovating, and we've kind of revamped this little bathroom here. And the client really wanted a spa-like feel in the bathroom, and I'd say it's safe to say we've kind of accomplished that. So here we're going to have, here will be a freestanding soaker tub. This is the shower with the bench. We're still waiting on our quartz bench top and our countertop for the vanity. But I'll show you a few of the little details we've got here. So we have this hexagon tile, which then meets this kind of river rock on the floor and transitions back into the hexagon. We've got a wood grain tile as feature on the shower wall and on the ceiling. And then we have it also in the back of our two niches. And it creates a really cool kind of artistic design. Great job by Michelle over at Refresh Design. And as we get over here, we've got a shiplap treatment on this back wall. So here we're going to have a mirror. It's actually powered, electric mirrored with some LED lighting in it. With this nice vanity from Superior Cabinets. I like how we've done kind of the build out so that the legs, you can see down here, the legs almost look like a furniture piece, kind of nice and thick. So yeah, I mean, it's a small space with a lot packed into it. It's going to be a beautiful space though once we are complete. I can't wait to see the tub here installed, and once the shower glasses installed, the plumbing fixtures, it'll be quite a remarkable space. So, always give some good thought into what you want out of your space, and even when you're limited by its size, sometimes you can still pack a huge punch into a small space like we've done here. So thanks for tuning in. We'll update you next week on some different projects. I'm Paul from Art of Renovation and Custom Homes. Talk to you soon.